Paradigms are mental programs in the subconscious mind. They control your habitual behavior, including your perception, thoughts, feelings, and actions. And almost all behavior is habitual. When you understand how to build a new paradigm to replace the one that presently controls your life, you can make all the results you desire. That is what we call the infinite mind. And I guess that is what coaching is for. This is also what we will uncover over the next 12 weeks, where I share the most valuable lessons of Mr. Bob Proctor. I'm Kasper Larsen, and in a second I'll give you a tool. Manifestation is just about mindset. To get transformation and results, you gotta set up your mindset for success. Change your paradigm and everything will change. It's my purpose to help you and your business doing just that. Here's the exercise and tool. You cannot see the paradigms, but you can see the effects of them. So, to discover your paradigms, start looking at your behavior and results. And if you're not satisfied with them, go back to the previous videos on the knowing-doing gap and the productive and non-productive actions. Post about it in the chat, subscribe and get a free talk. We're here to help you get full spectrum success. Tell us your goal and we show you how to break free and do it in just 6 months. We simply have a system that works. Success is not a secret, it is a system, so don't waste your life.